Breaking news as Bitcoin is over 3,000, and that's what people like to put on videos when something new has happened, breaking this or that. Well, this is technically breaking this key 3,000. As I've been stating on the 2.5-minute warning, this is poised for a breakout. So the setup again coming into formation or into play. Breaking above this, and even the June resistance, thus making all-time highs again for the first time in many weeks. When this breaks key levels, oftentimes you're going to get decent-sized moves. So far on this day, it is decent. So far up 7%, just a few hours into the session for the 5th of August. And notice the time on the top. It says 3:18 UTC. I've taken a little bit of time, and up at the weekly chart, price action has went up 1.5% in just that brief period. As on the weekly chart at 3:20, it's 3,100. And as I've been stating on this chart as well, or on this time frame as well, this is looking poised for a breakout. So the daily and the weekly doing such. This has been a tremendous gain so far. Now up to 3,150 as at 3:21 UTC, and up 10.33% for the day. So this is the serious breakout. We got to see this on a much more shorter term time frame. And there we have it on the 1-hour time frame. So as I'm saying, when you break these key levels, it's not uncommon to have these extensive large moves. It's happening right now within this. On the 5-minute time frame, it's continuously going straight up. I can even show this on the 1-minute, as this just keeps going super wild crazy ever since it broke out past this 2960 level. Now, I don't know how far this is capable of going to the upside. I already calculated between 32 to 33 is the area I think that the next leg would rise up to. And then long term, we're talking between 4,000 and 5,000. Now, whether it happens within an hour, a day, a week, or a month, I don't know for sure. But I do know whenever markets have these extensive kinds of moves like we're seeing, that you're going to have a correctionary move at some point. But is it now as it approaches 32? Is it going to be at 33, 35, or who knows? It's most likely short term going to have some. But we can notice in here, look at this extreme amount of volume, which was then followed up with the breakout one, which has had continuous volume within this move higher. Are we waiting for maybe a big volume move higher that will signify at least a short midterm top later on, thus that this rally should still continue on a little bit more? And as the time continues, you can see just a short-term move, a couple minutes, same time frame, 1 minute, falls from 3,150 down to 3,040. So there's one correction right there. So if you're fast, market's going up right here, and I mean you're fast, if you're able to put a buy order in because you're like, oh man, I don't want to chase it, let's buy it for where we came from and maybe a little bit above 3040, are you a genius, or are you lucky, or I don't know what to say there. But this does go to show you how fast the market can move as the volatility keeps moving on, and it's now falling a little bit more down to 30.35. So I would expect this to signify to me that the breakout phase has started. It's at least established resistance in here, and it's probably going to come back throughout the night, retest this high, probably even break it again. This would be something, if it has a move where it breaks out from like say 2960 going up 200 basis points, 7%, and then this sell-off automatically tops the market. I don't think that's going to be the case. Usually from this point, markets do have the rebound, and because of the bullish sentiment coming in, I would build the sell-off guilty until proven innocent, and pretty much that's the bias I would have towards such. I will conclude the video now, and again, expect wild movements. Thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.